Hello students of standard 3rd. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy at your home and enjoying your studies. DML Public School welcomes you all in e-class. Let's begin an online session of English. Myself Renuka Sesheva, your English teacher. So our today's topic is Dogs, Part 1. This chapter is taken from your English Reader, Unit number 1, Animal World. We have learned about lots of animals in this unit. In our last previous class, we have learned about dolphins and many more animals. So, today we are going to learn about dogs. I hope you all are like dogs. Do you? Yes. So let's start the lesson about dogs. We are going to learn about dogs. We will get some more information about this peaceful and friendly creature. So, dear student, tell me, do you like dogs or do you have dogs as a pet at your home? Okay. Someone having and someone not. Okay, so today we are going to learn about dogs. So dogs are very playful, mean, smart. Okay, there are many animals which are very docile, peaceful and friendly. And we usually, some animals we do not keep them as a pets, but some animals we can keep them as a pet. So dog is one of them. We can keep them as a pets. So we can be good friends with such type of animals like dogs, cats, and parrots and many more. So today we are going to learn about dogs. So this creature is also very peaceful and friendly, even very intelligent also. And these dogs are very helpful to us. So let's see. Like dolphins, as we have learned in our previous lesson, like dolphins, dogs too are very useful animals. They help us in many ways. So let's see in this lesson about dogs. Okay, these dogs are friendly and intelligent, and there are lots of types of dogs. So dogs are our great friends. Dogs are our great friends. They are intelligent and faithful, and they have a strong smelling power. Do you know, the children? Dog has a strong smelling power, and they are very intelligent and faithful also. So they have been doing various kinds of useful work for us. Dogs take care of the animals when they go for grazing. They help the police to catch thieves. They guide the people who cannot see clearly. They save people caught in mountain and storms. Small dogs like poodles are very cute. They perform in circus shows and entertain the people. They also give company to those who are lonely. No wonder a dog is our most favorite pet. Yes, there are many persons and many human beings, many men and women are liked dogs as a pet. So many persons are having dog as pet animal at their home, and they love to keep them with them. So dogs are very intelligent and faithful animal, and they have a strong smelling power. They help us in many ways. They are our great friends, and There is no wonder when we say that there is no wonder a dog is our most favorite pet. Yes. So and they are having lots of types. There is only not only one or two types. There is a lots of breeds and their kinds. So how the dogs are very intelligent and very faithful animal, and they are very useful also. They help us in many ways. How they help us? They does they have been doing various kinds of useful works for us. Like dogs take care of the animals when they go for grazing, they help the police to catch the thieves, and they guide the people who cannot see clearly. They guards, they save people caught in mountains, storms, and small dogs, poodles, and Pomeranians are very cute. They perform in circus shows and entertain the people, and they also give companies. They are our great company. Okay, they also give company to those who are very lonely. So because of these things, the dogs are our great friends, and they always help us, and they are very intelligent. They can understand the emotions, they can understand whatever you remarks, right? So these animal are very intelligent, useful, and very faithful animal. So today we have learned about this dog. Okay, in our next part we will learn about breeds or kinds of dogs. Yes, have you seen this in this picture? There are so many types of breeds and kinds of dogs. There are various species. There are various kinds of dogs. For example, see how many species has been given here. One is mountain dog, Afghan hound, boxer dog, bull terrier, basset hound, Dalmatian, Beagle, bulldog, cocker spaniel, Welsh corgi, Doberman, pug. There are many more types are there. So in our next part we will learn about their breeds and kinds, and their different functions and their different works also. How can they help us in many ways? Which type of dog having their own specialty, we will learn in our next part. Till then, let's see what is the next. Yes, this is your assignment now. Write few lines about your pet dog in your own word. If you're having a pet dog, and if you want, then just think about as you have a pet dog, and write few lines about them, about it. Write few lines about your pet dog in your own words. So this assignment you will do in your notebook only. I hope you all understand this lesson. Okay, now thank you and have a nice day. We will see you in our next part.